Hello, in this video we're going to investigate the density measurement of an irregular solid. This can be done also by using a measuring cylinder. First, we can measure the mass of the object using the balance, and then we immerse the object on a thread in a liquid measuring cylinder. Before that, let's remark the volume of the water in this cylinder. The volume of the water here is equal to 190 unit cube. Now if we add an object, we immerse the object, in this way, the volume inside this cylinder has increased. This increase in the volume is equal to the volume of the immersed solid. Let's find the new volume in this measuring cylinder. We know that the volume is equal to the area of the base multiplied by the height. The area of the base is equal to pi r squared multiplied by h. The height here is equal to 9.07469, and the radius of this cylinder is equal to 2.8. Then, the new volume of the measuring cylinder is equal to pi multiplied by 2.8 squared multiplied by 9.07469. The answer is 223.5. Now we will subtract the new volume of the measuring cylinder from the volume of water inside the cylinder. Then the volume of the solid is equal to 223.5 minus 190, which is equal to 33.5 unit cubed. Now we have the mass and we have the volume, then we can find the density by using the equation mass divided by volume. By this method, we can determine the density of any irregular solid, being a star, a rhombus, or any irregular shape. That's it.